Hello friends, in this video we shall discuss composite masonry. So under this unit 2 part A we have already discussed block masonry, cavity wall construction, partition walls, and now we'll discuss composite masonry. So what is composite masonry? When walls are constructed with two or more type of building materials, it is termed as composite masonry. So it is the combination of more than one type of masonry, and that's why it is called as composite masonry. So why to go for this composite masonry? It reduces overall cost of construction. So in the face of the wall, one can have very good quality of masonry, and on the back of it maybe second quality, or you can say inferior quality of masonry. So with the help of this composite masonry, overall cost of construction will get reduced. This makes the structure more durable by providing materials of better quality and good workmanship in the faces. So with the help of this type of masonry, that is composite masonry, the structure can be made more durable. Now how it is possible? Because it is constructed of two types of masonry, facing is of different and backing is of different. So in case of this, the facing of the wall can be constructed with better quality of material and good quality workmanship. That's why the structure will become more durable. It improves the appearance of the structure by concealing the inferior work. So if the work is inferior on the back side, in that case, the facing can be of good quality workmanship, good quality material, so definitely it will improve the appearance in the facing, and on the contrary, it will conceal the inferior work which is carried out on the back of it. It makes the use of locally available material to obtain optimum economy. So optimum economy, the economy to the great extent is possible by using locally available material and which can be used in the backing of construction. So these are the reasons due to which composite masonry is preferred or it is adopted. Now coming to types of composite masonry, lot many types are there. Few types are stated here. Stone facing with brick backing, stone slab facing with brick backing, brick facing with concrete backing, ashlar facing with brick backing, ashlar facing with rubble backing. So now we will discuss one by one. So very first is stone facing with brick backing. So here in case of this, the complete facing is of stone. So in this type of complete masonry wall is constructed in brick work and stones are provided on facing to appear if constructed in stone. It is adopted to improve the appearance of the structure at the lesser cost. So normal in case of bungalows, to improve the elegance, to beautify the structure or facade elevation on the front side, normally this type of stones are provided. So Dholpuri stone is the best example of this stone facing with brick backing. So the wall is constructed with the help of bricks, and on it the Dholpuri are constructed. So it improves the elevation of the building. Next is stone slab facing with the brick backing. So in case of this, the facing is of stone slab. It may be a continuous stone or maybe two or three stones. In this type of composite masonry, a wall is constructed in brickwork and stone slabs are used in facing. The stone slab seldom exceed 5 to 10 cm thickness and are properly secured to the brick backing. The stone may be used natural or artificial. So in case of this, whatever stone is used in the facing, it may be naturally available as it is can be used, or artificially facial appearance is given. So it will improve the elevation of the building. At the same time, it will be economical. Now next is brick facing with concrete backing. Here you can see the facing is of brick masonry and backing is completely of the concrete. Maybe concrete blocks are used or directly lean concrete can be poured. So in this type of construction, bricks are used as facing material and concrete is backing. This type of construction is adopted to the strength of concrete, and the aesthetic of bricks. So, in case of this, the strength, what is strength, which will be given to the masonry, it will be of concrete, and at the same time, the aesthetic, the beauty will be of brick. So here, in case of this, the very good quality bricks, or you can say first class bricks, are used for facing, and backing may be of lean concrete depending upon the strength required. So this is very good composite masonry. Now ashlar facing with brick backing. Ashlar facing with brick backing. In this type of composite masonry, a rough tool and chamfered stones are provided in facing, while brick work is provided in backing. So special type of ashlar masonry is used, maybe rough tooled and sometimes chamfered. Already we have discussed what is rough tooled and what is chamfered. It is provided the facing in the facing, and the brick work is provided in the backing. So definitely it will give very good appearance. It is preferable to use the height of ashlar as a multiple of brick thickness plus masonry joints. So in case of this, the height of the ashlar masonry definitely will be multiples of brick thickness, because in case of brick thickness is 4 inches and ashlar may be of 6 inches, 9 inches, 12 inches, and up to 15 inches can be used as a ashlar facing. So due to this, here you can see the elegance, the elevation of the building. It gives improved, it gives very good elevation. Now coming to ashlar facing with rubble backing. So here facing is of ashlar and backing is of rubble. In this type of composite, rough tool and chamfered stones are provided in facing, while rubble masonry in backing. This may reduce the cost of construction as the rubbles are available at a cheap rate. So wherever rubble is available, locally available within 5 kilometers, locally available, in that case, to improve the elegance at the same time to make the structure wall more economical, this type of masonry, composite masonry is preferred. So here you can say in the facing ashlar masonry is provided, and in the backing the complete wall is provided with the help of rubble stone fill. So obviously with the help of this ashlar, the elegance will get improved. At the same time, with the help of this rubble fill, it will become more economical. So thank you. With this, the composite masonry is completed. Normally short note may be asked on this composite masonry.